Hello everyone, today we are making a cord tamer. So all I need a 2.5 hook. Then I will take a yarn and make a slip knot. After making this slip knot, we will create total 16 chain stitches. Yarn over, pull yarn through the stitch on hook. Again yarn over, pull the yarn through stitch on hook. সো এভাবেই কিন্তু আমরা টোটাল 16 চেইন স্টিচ তৈরি করে নেব। Now we will start working on the second chain. Here we will make one single crochet in each stitch. For making this single crochet, insert hook in stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull yarn through loops. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull yarn through the loops. Now I have completed my first row. After completing this row, I will make a chain stitch here. After create this chain stitch, I will repeat the same one single crochet like first row across the line. After completing my second row, I will repeat this pattern twice more. Now I will create total 12 chain stitches here. And attach it with a single crochet. Now I will make one single crochet in each of the chain stitch across the foundation. Now we will create the flower. For making this flower, we will make a magic circle first. After making this magic circle, I will create total 5 single crochet in it. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loops. এভাবেই আমরা পুরোটা এই যে ম্যাজিক সার্কেলটা আছে তাতে টোটাল 5টা সিঙ্গেল ক্রোশে তৈরি করব। আর যেটা প্রথমে আমি ম্যাজিক সার্কেল তৈরি করতে যেই স্টিচটা দিয়েছিলাম সেটাকে নিয়ে টোটাল হবে সিঙ্গেল ক্রোশে 6টা। Now we will change the color of the yarn, then make a slip knot. After making this slip knot, we will attach this slip knot into the circle. Here we will make total 3 chain stitch. After completing this 3 chain stitch, we will make total 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So this is our one double crochet. After completing this double crochet, we will create the second double crochet here. This is our second double crochet. Now we will make total 3 chain stitch again. 1 chain stitch, 2 chain stitch. Now 3 chain stitch. Now we will attach in the same stitch with a slip knot. After making this slip knot, we will shift our hook in the second loop. Here we will create again a slip knot. Then create total 3 chain stitch, 1 2 3 chain stitch. Now we will create again total 2 double crochet in the same loop. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Again we will make total 3 chain stitch and attach it in the same stitch. So we have complete our 2 petals. Now we will create another 4 petals according to the same pattern. Our flower is complete. Now I will make a slip knot to attach the last petal here. Put some glue on this flower center and attach it with the foundation, and now our cord tamer is ready to use. Guys, if you like this video, then please do subscribe my channel and like, comment and share this video.